Alright, I'm gonna level with you here. Today is not the greatest week that I've ever seen, but there are a few items that I do think will have a fair amount of profit.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest. Today we're going to do a live comp on the Supreme website.
People talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah.
Something new, huh? Never do that. So today is the Spring Summer 21 Week 12 drop for Supreme. We're almost through 12 weeks of Supreme, so we're way closer to the end than we are to the beginning of this season. For today, I think I do want to grab a couple of items. I'm really interested in the Timberland Anorak. It has an amazing retail at like $168, so that's the same price as a hoodie for a jacket. So you can't beat that. And then I also want to just grab the hat that goes along with that collaboration. I'm really interested in the purple one that we saw on the drop list. And then if I can, I might add a few of the little trinkets like the keychain and, I don't know, a bike pump or whatever. I'm not really super interested in those things. But if shit goes sideways, who knows what's going to happen, right? I could guilt buy some crappy cards. You know I can do it.
I won't let you go.
Before I head over there, please, if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. Obviously, this is the most up-and-coming YouTube channel there is, so you should really get in on the ground floor. This is about as ground floor as you can get for YouTube. But for real though, you guys have been amazing. I think I've almost added 100 subscribers within the last week, so that is incredible. I'm just kind of shocked that you all even want to watch this nonsense. That being said, thank you guys so much for doing that, wasting your time with me. I appreciate it. So I'm gonna jump over to the computer here. We're getting down to the wire. I'm gonna see if I can get some bricks, and then we'll come back over here and talk about how great or terrible I did.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, so my plan today, I'm gonna try to go after one of those anoraks. I'm gonna try to get a hat. And I'm going to see if I can get a couple of those tchotchke little pins and keychains to throw in there. If I can, great. If I don't, then I do have one slot running just for an anorak with our best friend Lewis. He's still alive. I thought he wasn't around anymore, but finally he showed back up. I think he's just been in this box logo haze that everybody else has been in. It's like a mortar shell just went off right next to you and you're just wandering around not having any idea where you are or can't hear anything. I think that's what the whole community is sort of doing right now as far as box logos. And I would say, please pay attention. It could drop tomorrow. It could drop Monday. It could drop a year from now. If we don't see that t-shirt releasing online either Friday or Monday, I'm pretty sure that we're not going to see it releasing at all.
That's what she said.
You know what? Honestly, I might just try to go jacket, hat, and get out of here, because I think that would give me free shipping, and that would be a pretty solid cart. I'm just going for a large purple one in this manual cart. I have an XL running on a slot. Those things went in like 5 seconds in the EU, so I'm going to try for a large one when I'm manual here to get the hat and the jacket, both in purple. I might keep this one. I don't know. It's so cheap, and I need a new jacket, so when it gets here, I will definitely take a look at this one, just in case. I'm running Swift for the Milan box logos. Alright, here we go. We are ready to start refreshing. Swift is running for the Milan box logo. Let's see what happens with that one. Alright, I am refreshing. We are definitely at 11, guys. There we go, Anorak. You want the large, add to cart, go to hats, get that one, add to cart, add it to my cart, add it to my cart. Is this one in my cart? Check out now. Come on, boys. Come on, Supreme. Supreme is messing up right now. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. It's so slow. No, why are you broken? Why are you broken? Why are you broken?
Oh no!
Why are you broken? Why are you broken? I just want to go to my cart, guys. Just let me go to my cart. Come on, please. Why are you broken? What is happening with this site right now? Come on, guys. It is not reloading. I am giving a 500 error. Reload, reload, reload. Check out now, check out now, check out now. I feel like the whole site just dropped down. Yeah, it looks like everything's still around. So it's like nobody's able to check out, maybe? Jeez, what's going on, guys? Is it just broken for me? Like, everything's still in stock, too. Should I just drop one of these bike pumps in here? Fuck, maybe. Since I'm trying to get all this stuff, man, we'll get a vampire boy, add that to my cart. I'm gonna get a peace pin, add that to my cart since I'm sitting here. I don't even understand what's going on here. I'm not happy about this at all. I just don't think that it is working. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Here we go. Oh, I didn't get my Anorak. I didn't get my Anorak. I didn't get my Anorak. That is not cool. I was here. I was excited. Do I get anything else? No, fuck it. You know what? Whatever. It's a cheap little cart. I'm gonna get that hat. I want to see that hat anyways. Fuck it. Oh, that is why I hate Supreme. I hate you. I wanted that jacket. I know that it went fast as F, but whatever. We get a hat. Well, it's kind of a fail, and I kind of just... What the I did not realize that keychain was so expensive. That is really a stupid pickup. It's $24. I did not... Wow. Wow. I would have taken that out of this cart had I known that, but whatever. Okay. This shirt, too. This shirt right here was actually there was a copyright infringement put on it, so they weren't even sure if it was going to release or not. Apparently, like, Thailand sued Supreme over this particular image. This is a pretty cool looking shirt, to be fair. It was a little expensive, but anything that gets, like, a copyright put on it can automatically be worth money because they'll technically have to recall them all. I'm gonna head back over to the junkyard over here. I have a few things to unbox for you. Some of the stuff that came in I had to sell, so I'm not able to show you. But I have a few items that came in that I still have, and let's go take a look at those. Sometimes this site just holds you down and kicks you in the balls a couple of times. This was one of the most frustrating days that I think that I've had, only because I know it was a light day as far as traffic goes. I could not load the damn cart. I don't know what it was doing. I had the stuff in the cart. You saw how fast I was. I was basically manual God.
You serious?
I don't know. Couldn't load. Kept getting 500 errors. I checked with Lewis. My crazy slot with him was not able to hit either, so no Anorak for your boy. I will probably try to be looking at that one on restocks. I haven't really been paying attention to restocks too much lately, but this week I will, because I am really interested in that Anorak for a personal, honestly. Hopefully they brick and I'll just buy one. I don't think they will. I think that price is really good, and honestly, even if you pay resale for one of these, like at 200, it's actually not a bad price for a jacket. Okay. Alright, failures aside, I apologize. It wasn't as good as the last couple weeks have been, but, you know, we got a cart. I do want to see what that hat looks like. Big fail, though. I had no idea how much that stupid pin cost. It was like $24, and I just was not paying attention, and that's what happens when you guilt buy on Supreme. You just try to throw shit in your cart, and you get it. I'm glad I didn't throw the bike pump in there for no reason, you know what I mean? That being said, I have a few items that I want to show you that came in last week. It's not really an unboxing because I did have to already sell a few items. So this week I got in a bunch of the frayed denim things that I had ordered. So I had 2 of the frayed denim hats, and I also had a pair of the frayed denim jeans. Now those were gone before they even got here. I think I ended up getting 110 for each of the hats, and then 450 for the jeans. So those things, I just sent them out. I'm happy to make some money off of that stuff. And then basically what that has done now is it has paid for everything else that I'm showing you this week, plus a fair amount of profit on top of that. So first off, I do want to show you this guy. I got 2 of these, and I sold one. This is the XL small box tee for the light blue bandana. I already sold one of these as well for about 120, and then I have this one that I'm probably just going to sit on for a little bit. There's only a few of these actually on StockX right now, so that makes me want to kind of sit on it for just a little bit and see what happens there. But anyways, I'm very happy that I was able to get, I got 2 of these, one on Swift Sole and one manual, so shout out to Swift Sole for that one. These decks came in finally. So again, like I said, right now that shirt and these 2 decks that I'm about to show you are completely free from the other items that I got that week that I have already sold. Aye. And FYI to Mr. S. Scott out there, the winner of the giveaway, Congratulations, bud. I'm excited. I'm gonna send that thing out to you today, most likely. So you'll be able to open your own boxes with one of these very soon. Very soon. Very nice.
Stop it. Get some help.
I need to show you guys my whole deck collection because it's getting out of hand. Alright, so here we go. This is the Supreme Apes deck. This is the day version of the deck. I actually really think this is a good deck. I don't think it's doing amazing, but it's doing well for a new deck from Supreme. So this is the day version. My hope is this one would be the night version. Let's take a look. I'm not sure if this is a reseller pro tip or not, but keep the boxes that these come in because it is hard to find boxes to ship skateboards in if you do end up selling these to somebody. Yeah, okay, here we go. But yeah, so this is the night version of the deck. I actually do like both of these. Probably, honestly, in hand, the lighter one maybe is better. I'll try to get both of these in the shop for you. I don't know, I kind of like the day one in hand a little bit better, but the night one's cool too. Let me know which one of these two do you guys think looks best? I know it's me, isn't it?
Don't care, still don't care.
Okay, so there you go. That was the unboxing. Well, that's all I had for today. So this should be kind of a shorter video. I hope you guys were able to grab anything that you wanted today. If you haven't yet, again, please subscribe to the channel, like the video down below, and comment down below what you went for. What did you get? What did the website do to you that made you want to pull your hair out? Anything. I'm interested in all that you have to say. With that being said, I'm going to get out of here. You guys have a good weekend, and I will see you next video.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.